With the warmer weather, sooner or later, you're gonna have to deal with crabgrass and weeds growing in your lawn. Now, if you don't want to buy a pesticide, you can make an affordable non-toxic weed killer using nothing more than Epsom salt, some white vinegar, and some grease-cutting dish detergent. Start by getting a plant mister and use a funnel to add maybe half a cup or so of the salt. And then add a quart of the vinegar. Don't have to be exact measurements, but around a quart. This is a half a gallon, so we're gonna use about half of this. There you go, that's close enough. And then we're gonna add the detergent. Just need 3 or 4 squirts maybe. That's probably plenty. Then we put the top on and shake it up. Now, once this is all mixed, you can go out and spray it directly on the plant. And the detergent will help it stick to the leaves of the weeds. And within 2 or 3 days, the weed will dry up and die.